Three different kinds of springtime delights for today's video. It's springtime, let's do some asparagus. Here's how you can test your asparagus. Just break it, and this is the tender part, and this is the hard part, which is like woody part. But sometimes I use the potato peeler or vegetable peeler and I just remove the outer woody parts of asparagus. So it ends up like that. These asparagus are very tender. All it needs is to rinse them before cooking it. I'm going to steam some of the asparagus. Some of them I'm going to put in the oven. Cover it. These are spring onion leaves. I'm going to blanch them in boiling water. I like my asparagus just cooked. Oops. Let's start with 1 egg. Olive oil, and some of the other asparagus I'm going to wrap it with eggs. So here's how you can do it. Place the egg on a flat surface. Place asparagus on eggs and roll it. Some of the asparagus, I'm going to wrap it with prosciutto or smoked ham. I'm going to cook this in preheated oven. This is what I'm going to do with other asparagus. I'm going to tie it with spring onion leaves that I blanch in boiling water. Pesto sauce with one of the asparagus.